What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Easy Eats with Key, where I teach people to make simple, easy meals to get you through the day. And today, man, we got the simplest meal of them all. I'm gonna teach you how to make a baked potato in the air fryer. Let's get to it. Look, just like I told y'all, real simple, nice and easy recipe. Yeah, it's gonna take a little minute to get done. You can put whatever you want to put on your baked potato. That's how I like mine. If you want to make yours look all nice and stuff like the movies and all that, be my guest. Me, I like mine simple with cheese, butter, a little sour cream, and then I'm gonna throw the steak bites on top. And normally I end my videos let you know if it's good or if it's but I'm gonna go ahead and tell you right now, I'm hungry, so I know this is gonna be good. Yeah. Thanks for watching, man. Stay tuned till next time. Peace and love.